Welcome to Ajayastro Maniguru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. Today, on the 20th of August 2024, we are diving into the significant decline in China's steel output and what it means for the future. In July, China's steel production experienced a sharp decline, dropping by 9.5%. The country produced a total of 82.94 million metric tons of steel, marking the lowest monthly output since December of last year. This reduction is part of a broader trend that has characterized the steel industry in China throughout 2024. For the first 7 months of this year, the total steel output was 613.72 million tons. This represents a 2.2% decrease compared to the same period in 2023. The steel industry in China is currently focused on meeting an unofficial target, which aims to ensure that total output for 2024 does not exceed the production levels of the previous year. Daily steel production for the first 7 months averaged 2.88 million tons. If this rate continues through the rest of the year, China is on track to produce approximately 1.05 billion tons of steel in 2024. However, the profitability of steel mills in China is under significant pressure. Currently, only 5% of steel mills are operating profitably. This is reflected in the performance of the benchmark steel rebar contract on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, which has fallen to its lowest level in over 4 years. The last time steel prices saw a positive trend was in 2021. Since then, each subsequent year has ended with lower prices. This downward trend has been exacerbated by a slump in China's property sector, a key driver of steel demand. Investment in the property sector has dropped by 10.2% in the first 7 months of 2024 compared to the same period in 2023, dragging steel prices even lower. Looking at the broader picture, steel output in 2024 peaked in May. Without a strong recovery in the property sector, it's likely that steel production will continue to decline in the coming months. On a slightly more positive note, exports of steel products from China have increased by 21.8% in the first 7 months of 2024. However, this only accounts for 10.34 million tons of steel, a relatively small fraction of the country's total output. In summary, the outlook for China's steel industry in 2024 remains challenging. With declining domestic demand, particularly from the property sector, and pressures on profitability, the industry faces an uphill battle. As we move forward, we will continue to monitor these developments closely. Thank you for watching Ajayastro Maniguru. Stay tuned for more updates and advanced analysis on global commodities.